In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a trailing stop loss on Quantower. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. If you're using this trader over here on your chart, you want to click on this button top right to actually enable the side panel. And then if you scroll down over here, you can see brackets mode. Now here you have simple or multi, and of course, whichever one you press, there's the SL option. So when you click on SL over here, you can see there's a stop loss. And if you enable this, you can also click on this button over here to activate a trailing stop loss, okay? And that way, as you can see, it's going to say tr.sl, which means trailing stop loss. So that's the first way to set your trailing stop loss, and then you can just go ahead and continue with your order, and you'll basically set a trailing stop loss with your order. So that's the first way to do it. Then the second one is via ordered entry. You can click on order entry up top here, or if you don't see it, click on the Quantower logo and look for order entry somewhere in here inside the green, so inside trading. Click on it, and when it pops up like this, you can see down here inside brackets mode, again, you have simple and the multi. And if you use simple, you can enable the stop loss over here. And to enable the trailing stop, you want to click on this button over here to actually activate the trailing stop loss. If you are inside the multi and you click on over here, you can also add a stop loss, and that way you'll be able to basically click on this button to enable trailing stop as well, okay? So that's how to do this. That's how to set a trailing stop loss on Quantower. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.